Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this video I'll be styling my natural hair, and this is my comb, and this is the rope I'll be using to tie my hair, and inside the bottle is my leave-in conditioner. Let's delve right into it. So in this video I'll be sharing you 3 simple ways to style your natural hair, especially if you have type 4C hair like mine. And it does not have to be something hard. It is so simple and easy to do by your own self. You don't need someone's help to help you cut the hair or something. So this is my first style, and this is one that I like, but it's not really my go-to. I barely do my hair like this because of the attention it attracts whenever I do it like this. But then it's a classic style for anyone who doesn't mind the whole attention and all, and it's a way of flaunting your natural afro. I actually didn't comb my hair too well, so that's why it is not evenly combed, but I think I tried my best. This is the first style. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Mind you, I applied a leave-in conditioner before doing this, because on a normal day it's not good for your natural hair to be dry. So before doing this, styling my hair and everything, I ensured that I had already applied leave-in conditioner to it properly. So this next style is like the first one, but it is a different style. More like it is a one-sided afro. Yes, that's what I'll call it. So this is basically me showing how I pack my hair. It's not like I got it from anywhere. This is how I pack my hair, and if anyone is interested in packing their hair like this, you just need your comb, your leave-in conditioner, and something to pack the hair with. I think this is finer than the first, but let me hear what you guys think in the comment section. This is me feeling the hair, and there was a mirror in front of me. That was what I was looking at. When packing yours, ensure that the wool or whatever you use to pack your hair isn't showing. I could not really see it, that's why mine is showing. It's better if it's something black or something that matches the clothes you are wearing. I was already tired here, honestly. Okay, so this is the third style, and it's basically an up bun, which is very common. Yes, an up bun is more like the go-to styles for natural hair girlies, and I think it's my fave. I call it pineapple. Yes, even some of my friends do call it pineapple. So it's a very nice style. It's so easy, does not attract much attention, and it's classy. Yeah, you can style your hair like this to class, to an event, and it gives this wig format. A lot of people will think you attached a wig to your hair when you put your hair in an up bun. See the side view now. Okay, so this is the third, and thank you for watching. Bye.